On to my project of the day. It's a large quarter panel repair, crushed pretty much from here forward. I'll have to end up welding the tab on here. Alright, I got my parts all fit up on this Camry. They're fitting really nice. Taillight fits good, bumper fits good. Door gap is lining up. I'm going to go ahead and repair this rear door and get it in plastic. Now I like to start staining my body filler pretty quickly after I wipe it. I just wiped this about 5 minutes ago. And I like to start hitting, at least knock the top of it off as quickly as possible. It makes it a lot easier to sand. Have this one ready to prime up. I'm going to finish a couple little details in the morning and get it in the primer. I block the primer. I always watch my body lines and I block a section at a time to make sure my body line's nice and straight and even. And I got this one all blocked out, and I'm going to take it over to the paint shop so they can get it painted. This is the Toyota Camry that I straightened the quarter panel on a few days ago. It turned out really good.